my beautiful people from Arizona. Guess what? We finally got some fall items and Halloween items at Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. Right now I'm showing you what I saw at one Dollar Tree that I went to. There's a lot of beautiful new items. The ribbons are so beautiful. Some of them are brand new. The mesh still remain the same, the deco mesh. There's some beautiful designs with very gold inspired rose gold details, and I am so happy that we finally get these items after watching so many videos of a lot of you girls sharing how lucky you are because you get the fall items first, and somehow we always get them last. But it still makes me happy to see all of these beautiful colors. I must say that I fell in love with this purple and black velvet bows. I didn't buy them. I don't know why. It doesn't go with my decor, but I really love them, and it's a very good price and quality. I also wanted to show you a little bit this front yard decoration. I didn't take a video of it. Well, I did, but it was really bad. They have all of these scarecrows. They're super cute, those mini ones. I really like them, but I didn't get it. Again, I don't know why I didn't get it. The owls, I believe they came back. They had them last year, and it's brand new. The new scarecrows with the black and white design. This I really like, especially the little signs. I like how they coordinated all the skin color. You can see there's 3 different types of decoration right here, but somehow all of them match together. The colors are very similar, and I really like these pumpkins. When I saw them on somebody else's video, I fell in love, and they were so cute. They were so cute. Now right here, I'm showing you some of the craft. I lost the video that I took about the other wood signs they have for Halloween, but I'm gonna show you what I bought. I like these roses with the eyes. Some of them have spiders, some of them have glittery bats, like these purple ones, and the red ones I believe they have skulls, like black glittery skulls. Now we're gonna pass. We're gonna go to the beautiful 99-cent store. They have such a beautiful display and so many good quality, good price items for fall and a little bit for Halloween. I really love these baskets. There were 3 sizes. They have small, medium, and large. I believe the small one is for 1.99. And these floral arrangements are everything. I always buy them from 99 cents. Some of them are 1.99, some of them are 99 cents. This wreath that is right here, I believe is 99 cents, and all those picks are 99 cents. I'm always get them almost every year, as long as I know I'm not repeating the same arrangement. I really like this camper decoration. They were $2.99, and the jars were beautiful, $1.99 each. And I'm sorry if I record this super fast. This is the first time that I do this. It's for all my Arizona fellows that might not know that we actually now have this fall decoration here with us close, even though it's super hot right now and it's hard for some of us to think about fall. I'm really ready to start decorating. I really love this kind of wagons. I believe they were $2.99, which is a great price. I like those pumpkins and the scarecrow that is on the right. It was super cute. I really like them, and I really like these milk jars. I think that's how they call. I wanted to get one, but I didn't. I don't know why. I also saw these plates and a mug with some baking stuff. They had these decorations for crafts, the gifts, thanks signs made out of balloons. This is new, the cross. I haven't seen anybody share that, but most of the items that I'm sharing with you right now, these scarecrows were everything. I love them, but I didn't get one. I'm trying to stop myself. They have some of the Halloween costumes too. They have a lot of masks and some of Dia de los Muertos decoration. I really like that. Dracula, I think, is old fashioned. My daughter really is into cats, or used to be into cats. Right now she's really going more for fox. She enjoys fox, but still I was showing her this headband, but she wasn't very interested about it. Instead, she wanted to get the one right next to it that you guys see, the set, which I thought it was a good price. It was only 99 cents. I really liked this mantle fabric decoration, and every year I try to get this decoration, but I never get it. I always see myself buying it and always regret not buying it, but then I think, where am I going to put it? And I don't know where I'm going to put it. Right here you can see some of the costumes, jewelry, and more of those mantle decorations. Those black roses were really nice. They have bats on it that were really, really glittery. And I'm hoping that the 99-cent store brings more decor, because I've seen a lot of things that some of you have not shared, but I also am missing a lot of things that you have shared and I haven't seen here. I really like this ghost. It was only for 99 cents, I believe. And well, that's it. I think I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm sorry if I didn't describe this video that well. I was just so happy to record and show all my Arizonas out there that we got finally fall and Halloween decoration in our town. I'm sorry, I'm so happy. I really like these buckets. I really wanted to buy actually those cups. They're really cute cat cups, but like I said, my daughter, she's not really into cats anymore. We don't even have a cat, but I really like everything. Okay, I'm just gonna say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video where I'm gonna share what I bought in these two stores. Bye.